killer dog shit, they think I got the drip. Baby, trap nigga, we got everything on deck, baby. I ain't mean to cut you off, but cut my check, baby. Push up Lamborghini, you're 200 on the dash, I pray on Rick.
What's the word, YouTube? I'm coming back at it again with a nighttime POV drive for y'all boys, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. This just gonna be an update video. I know I haven't dropped in a couple months. I'm telling you, life been hitting. And, you know, this is gonna be a video for us to cruise and just talk, you know what I'm saying? And just enjoy. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna roll the windows down, stuff like that. Let y'all hear the car a little bit. Actually on my way to get some food, for real. And that's non-sport mode. Holy shit. That's non-sport mode. But yeah, this is my 2013 300 5.7 Hemi. You know what I'm saying? I got the, you know, the newer style, the new gen cluster. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie, in a couple weeks I'm finna buy that Z Automotive Taser, bro. I want full functionality when it comes to my cluster and shit, bro. So I'm definitely gonna order that Taser in like a couple weeks whenever. I got the bread and shit now, but it's just that, you know, it's really not important. You know what I'm saying? But I just know it's something that I'm definitely gonna want to do. But yeah, basically, I'm gonna cut the heat up a little bit. But I basically just want to talk to y'all boys about, like, you know what I'm saying, like, about the car, about, you know, about, like, what I did differently and everything like that. So, the squeaking sound, because everybody is, I don't really want to talk about, I don't like talking about it too much, but, you know, my car got stolen and shit around a year ago. And it was just a lot of bullshit that ended up happening, man. It was just a lot of, it was a huge ass delay. It was just a lot of bullshit that ended up happening. And it's cold as shit. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? It just took time for me to get to understand a lot of things, cause, you know, when my car was back, like, you know what I'm saying, up and running, I keep hearing like this little squeaking sound. You can even hear it in some of my older videos. It would be like this weird squeaking, rattling type sound. Every time I drive, I'd be backing up, whatever the case may be. Whole time it was my brakes. I ended up buying all 4 brake pads on all 4 rotors all the way around, replaced all my brakes for the first time. And as you can hear, nothing when I stop. I'm gonna let y'all hear this. Tell me if you hear anything. Nothing. Even though I didn't come to a complete stop, but you hear it all the time. You used to hear it all the time. I could be hitting the gas, hitting the brakes. You usually used to hear it all the time. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I had took care of that. So my transmission pan that hold my transmission fluid ended up rusting a hole in it, and it was leaking out transmission fluid. So shit, after my shit started doing that, you know what I'm saying, I had ended up buying like the new pan and the fluid and shit, and I just took it to a shop, and I had them do it. But and shit like that, you feel me? And yeah, my transmission shit ended up getting fixed or whatnot. And then I ended up having another problem. I had a coolant leak, and it was bad. Like every time I pour coolant in my reservoir or whatever the case may be, it would like leak straight out. So it was just a lot of bullshit going on with that. But I ended up just buying a whole new water pump and, you know, re-putting the coolant and shit in there. So it's holding up good for now. It's not overheating or anything, as y'all can see. You feel me? It's just, you know, like I said, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I've been contemplating on swapping this motherfucker. I've been contemplating on getting a scat swap. I got friends that got a scat swap and shit like that, you know, and I know for a fact I could do it if I really put my mind to it. But it's just like, in the meantime, I still want to upgrade. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I want to buy a Taser, I'm gonna buy a Taser. If I want to put some Hellcat wheels on this bitch, I'm gonna put some Hellcat wheels on this bitch. Like, I really just don't want this to stop. I don't want me saving up for a scat stopping me from, you know, taking care of the short-term goals. The scat is like the main goal, of course, but in the meantime, you know, like I said, I'm gonna save up some cheese. I'm gonna talk to the guys, and, you know, I'm gonna just think to myself and think, you know, and do what I really want to do. I'm gonna put this boy in sport and give y'all a good pull. Oh yeah, this boy sound good. Let me get over here. Pat, pat. Alright, take sport mode right off that mud. But yeah, bro, it just been a lot of shit that I've been having to take care of, bro. My fucking door handle was fucking broken shit. You know what I'm saying? See if y'all hear anything. I'm finna come to a complete stop. Nothing at all. Like I said in every video, bro, this is not the newest 300. This ain't the best Mopar, but at the end of the day, it's still a 300. It's still a Mopar. Still got a Hemi in it, you know. And this is my first car, so it's weird as hell having my window rolled down and motherfuckers pulling up on the side of me like, dog. Finna pull into this Wendy's right here because I am fucking hungry. But I think I almost oh no, I ain't go the wrong way. I'm gonna tap in with y'all boys in a second. Y'all boys, I'm currently coming from Wendy's right now. And yeah, just one of them little nighttime drives, you know what I'm saying, through the city. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say what city. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I ain't really got too much to say. It's just, I'm just proud of myself, man, because I fucking tackled so much shit that was wrong with this damn car. Like, I'm talking about, I'm just hitting POVs on low fuel because I don't even give a fuck, because I know how much my car can handle. This bitch ain't really gonna need no gas no time soon. Fucking Hemis don't do that bad. They do bad on gas, don't get me wrong, compared to a regular car, like an economy car or something like that, but they don't do that bad on gas as opposed of like, oh, like that bitch got a gas leak. Like, no, like when it's low, it'll work with you. But you know, it all depends on how you drive though. You feel me? All depends on how you drive. Got my, I can't even, you feel me? Straight like that. But yeah, bro, like, it's coming though for sure, bro. 2025 is gonna be a great year. Yeah, man, I don't want to do too much, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's just one of them little chill videos, bro, just to get an update on my car. I eventually want to put lights back here. I'm gonna roll my windows up. I just want y'all to, you know, be able to see, you know what I'm saying, like the outside and stuff like that, because, you know, I got 5% all around, 30 on the windshield. And yeah, but this car has insulation out. Like, you don't hear no rattling, no nothing, no squeaking. The brakes is good. The suspension, as far as I'm concerned, is solid, except for me needing a fucking alignment. But I mean, like, other than that, bro, like, everything is fucking solid, bro. No cap. And there's more content to come. You feel me? Definitely more content to come. And, you know, my next POV drive, I'm gonna break real quick. . nothing. My next POV drive, I'm 100% gonna have my fucking gauges and shit working. No cap. I'm gonna get that bitch. I'm gonna get the taser. I say it's not worth it, but when it comes to me wanting better for myself, and when it comes to me actually upgrading and like getting shit did with this car, like little shit, a $200 taser ain't gonna break my fucking pockets, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's worth it, bro. I want that full functionality with this cluster. That's the whole point of putting a cluster in my car. It's the only cluster I put in this bitch the whole time I had this car, and I got it at the right time. I actually got it off of a parts car at the junkyard. It just so happened it was actually like a newer style 300, and then it had like an older style in the back. It was like a newer style, half style breed, and it had like the new steering wheel that had the S cluster and shit in the inside. It was weird, but these bitches ain't that easy to find. You know what I'm saying? Unless you go on like Facebook Market or something like that, and they gonna try to charge you $100 for a goddamn cluster. You feel me? When I literally paid like $30 for this cluster. So, but yeah, bro, it's more time coming for sure, bro. We in that big 300 thing still. You know what I'm saying? Nighttime POV drive, y'all. You know what I'm saying? And shit, that's about it. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all boys though with this next vid though, and when this car start to look good again, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start, you know what I'm saying, showing the outside of my car too, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause you know. But I'm gonna tap back in with y'all.